Hi students, come to the next topic, that is user defined manipulator. In the previous video I'll explain about the manipulator. Now let us see what is this user defined manipulator. The user defined manipulator means the program can also define his or her own manipulator according to the requirements of a program. So that is a user defined manipulator. Means the programmer can also define his or her own manipulators. You can use your own manipulator, but that should be according to the requirement of the program. So if your program requires a new manipulators, you can use those your own manipulators. That facility can be available in this user defined manipulator. The syntax for this user defined manipulator is syntax ostream ampersand m name. So m name is the name of a manipulator I had used, and this is my user defined manipulator. So o stream, output stream, ampersand o. Statement 1, statement 2, return 0. So this is the syntax of your own user defined manipulator. According to the program requirement, you can write your own objects and your own names. Now let us see one program. So this program creates manipulators equivalent to, just writing that, program create manipulator, that is a user defined manipulator you are creating. Program to create manipulator equivalent to /t. So /t is already included in the library functions. So you are creating your own manipulator. That manipulator is equivalent to the tab. Use it in the program and format the output. Now let us see the program. Hash include iostream.h, hash include iomanip.h, because we are using the manipulation, so you have to include manip.h in your program, and hash include, next I'm using the conio.h also. Now I'm writing the function. So the function for the program is ostream ampersand tab. This tab is the manipulator name, ostream ampersand o. So now I'm just writing this. So this is the tab. So for the tab, this is a code for manipulator. Means it's just equivalent to the tab function. Return 0. Okay. Now I'm just printing this, writing the main program, void main cout 1 / next tab 2 tab 3. Okay, what is the output? So here this tabs represents the call to the manipulator. Is just calling this manipulator, call to manipulator. So then the output for this is 1 2 3, just giving the space, tab 1 2 3. So this is equivalent to /t. So instead of using the /t, I am using my own manipulator, that is the tab. I had written. So because this equivalent to /t. This is about the user defined manipulator. Thank you.